Welcome to Zape TV.
Do you love riding your bike around? Let's sing a song with a pedaling sound. I've got a little red bike with a bell that rings. It zooms so fast I feel like I've got wings. The wheels go round and the pedals spin. I ride through puddles with a big wide grin. My helmet's snug and I'm ready to go. Riding past flowers all in a row. Birds fly above and clouds drift by. I wave at the puppies and shout, hi, hi! Pedal, pedal, go, go, go. Through the streets we glide and flow. Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-ding. Riding a bike is the happiest thing. I ride with my friends, we laugh and race, trying to keep up a speedy pace. We zig, we zag and spin around, making circles on the playground ground. We stop for a snack and take a rest, then hop back on, we're feeling our best. Riding past trees so big and tall, zooming down hills, we call. Pedal, pedal, go, go, go. Through the streets we glide and flow. Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-ding. Riding a bike is the happiest thing. The sun is warm, the sky so blue. The wind is tickling my nose too. I see a butterfly glide with grace. It looks like it wants to join the race. A kitty meows from a garden wall. She watches us wobble, giggle and fall. We pick ourselves up with a happy grin, 'cause falling just means we start again. Pedal, pedal, go, go, go. Through the streets we glide and flow. Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-ding. Riding a bike is the happiest thing. Now the sun begins to set so low. We ride back home with a gentle glow. We park our bikes and rest our feet. Today's adventure was super sweet. Pedal, pedal, go, go, go. Through the streets we glide and flow. Ring the bell, ding-a-ling-ding. Riding a bike is the happiest thing.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.